Good morning, students. So in the previous class we were discussing the lesson that is teeth and microbes. Okay, and in yesterday's class we have discussed tooth decay. Yes, so what is the tooth decay? Tooth decay is nothing but a bacterial infection that happens in our teeth. Is it? So when it happens, when it occurs, when the bacterial infection will occur in our teeth, when after eating food, if we do not clean or brush our teeth properly, then that causes to the cavities or bacterial infection, and that totally destroy our enamel. So what is enamel? Enamel is the outer layer of our teeth, is it? And also it destroy or damages our pulp. Pulp is the innermost layer. Okay. So what we have to do to protect our teeth from the cavities or from the tooth decay, we should follow some of the tips. Yes, we should follow some of the tips to keep our teeth and gums healthy. So some of the tips are there. Let's see what are those. The first point is, okay, headline is tips to keep teeth and gum healthy. We should follow some of the tips to keep our teeth and gum healthy. So what are those? First one is, you should brush your teeth at least twice a day, every morning and every night before going to bed. So the first point is, you should brush your teeth. What you have to? How many times? Yes, at least 2 times. Yes, you should brush your teeth twice, in the sense 2 times in a day. Okay. First one is morning, after waking up from the bed, you should brush your teeth. And one more, in the night after having your dinner, you should brush your teeth. Okay, what will happen? The food particles will stuck in between your teeth, and that causes cavities. Okay, so brushing your teeth will protect your teeth from the cavities. So yes, the first important tip is, you should brush your teeth for twice. Okay, one is for morning and the one is in the night after dinner. So the second point is, rinse your mouth after eating or drinking anything. Yes, rinse your mouth with the water after eating anything. See, if you eat a chocolate, you should rinse your mouth properly, because sweet is the reason. Yes, the sugar is the reason for the cavities. It is the main reason for the cavities. That's because cavities occur in the children more than in the adults. Okay, so rinsing your mouth with the help of water after eating anything or after drinking anything. It's compulsory, it should be compulsory. Now the third point is, clean your tongue with the help of a tongue cleanser to remove bacteria. Okay, so now it is the time to protect your tongue also. Tongue is also a very important part of your body. Okay, so after brushing your teeth, what you have to do is, you should have, what is that? A tongue cleanser. A tongue cleanser you should have. So with the help of that tongue cleanser, you should clean your tongue properly, because bacteria will be there. Okay, bacteria will be there on your tongue. After cleaning of your tongue, those bacteria will remove off and your mouth will be fresh. Okay, so as cleaning your teeth is very important, as well as cleaning your tongue is also very important. Okay, so next one is, floss your teeth. Floss in the sense, it is a kind of thread. It is a kind of thread that you can get in the dentist. Okay, it is a kind of thread. What you have to do by using that floss, flossing helps to remove the food particles stuck between the teeth. Your dentist can help you learn the correct way to doing it. Flossing in a sense, it is a kind of thread which used to remove the food particles from your teeth. So you can get that floss from your dentist. So just take the help of your dentist, said how to use that floss properly. Okay, because if you do not use that floss properly, your teeth will get hurt. Okay, so use the floss. Flossing is very important. It also helps to remove the food particles which are stuck in between the teeth. And the next one is avoid sugary foods. Yes, as I told you, sugar is the main reason for the cavities. So try to avoid sugary foods like chocolates, ice creams. Avoid eating them. Okay. So next one, limit the number of snacks and meals to 5 or 6 times a day. See, you eat snacks. We have meal in 3 times in a day. That is called as breakfast. We eat breakfast in the morning. We eat our lunch in the afternoon, and the last we eat our dinner in the night time. But except these 3 meals, we several times, for several times we eat snacks. Sometimes we eat chocolate, sometimes we want to eat chips. These are called as snacks. Try to avoid them. Try to avoid them, because snacks are not very healthy for our body. So just limit the number of snacks. Okay, yes, you can eat the snacks, but just control it. Just limit the number of eating snacks. Okay, do not keep munching snacks all day long, as they stick to your teeth and cause decay. Yes, snacks are, I told you, snacks are also not very healthy for your health. So just try to limit them. What will happen after eating snacks? Some people do not drink water also. So what will happen? Again, the same thing, tooth decay or cavities will happen. Yes. So the next one is, after eating citrus fruits like oranges or juices, rinse your mouth with the help of water, as the acids present in them can weaken the enamel. See, we people drink some of the juices, like we eat mango juice, we drink orange juice, some of the citrus juice, citrus in the sense some kind of lemon juices. After having them, you should clean your mouth properly, because what happens, those acids, those citrus acids will cause to damage your enamel, is it? So yes, rinse your mouth and drink the proper water after drinking the juices. Next one is, eat foods that are rich in calcium and vitamins C, as they are very important for healthy teeth and gums. Now all these tips are to keep our gum and teeth healthy. So which kind of food you should eat? You should eat some kinds of foods which are full of calcium and vitamin C, because as calcium and vitamin C foods are very healthy for our teeth. Okay, so if you eat those kinds of foods, your teeth will remain healthy. Next, wear a mouth guard while playing active sports. See, if you are in school, if you are at school, or if you are at home, if you are going to play some games, you should wear teeth guard. Teeth guard in the sense, see, if you are playing cricket, yes, it is very important to keep your teeth safe, because ball will come and hit your mouth, then your teeth will fall, is it? So it is very important to protect your teeth as well, like your body. Okay, so wear teeth guard. Okay, wear teeth guard to protect your teeth. Next one is, use a good toothpaste and toothbrush. Yes, to brush your teeth, what you use? Don't use finger. Okay, because if you use your finger to brush your teeth will not get clean properly. So use a soft toothbrush. It should not be hard on your teeth or on your gum. Okay, so use the soft toothbrush as well as a good toothpaste to brush your teeth properly. Okay, next, visit your dentist once in every 6 months. In the sense, in 6 ತಿಂಗಳಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಲ್ಲು ಹುಳುಕಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, 1 ವರ್ಷ ಒಳಗೆ 1 ಇಯರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ 6 ಮಂತ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ. Okay, in 6 months at least 1 time you should visit your dentist. Okay, so these are some tips to keep your teeth and gums healthy. So what you should do, what you should not do, which kind of foods you should eat, which kind of foods you should avoid. Okay, so if you follow all these tips, your teeth and gums will be remain healthy for long time. Okay, so follow these tips in your home properly. Okay, so this is enough for today. It was such a long concept actually. So tomorrow we will discuss about microbes and kinds of microbes are there. Okay, and some of the useful microbes are there. So all these things we will discuss in tomorrow's class.